Make sure to stay until the end. We'll also mention when you're supposed to replace these belts, because 9 out of 10 people will be late. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 3 or 4 series, guys. And if you need to remove or replace serpentine belts, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step. We'll also talk how often you should replace serpentine belt, because most people will not replace it on time. And ours just broke on the other BMW that we have. It just broke, and that's why we bought this one as a preventative measure. So stay with us and we'll explain about that as we go. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly take them apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Check it out. So let's go ahead, start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on that 3 series, but 4 series is practically the same, guys, since they're built on the same platform. And what we have here specifically, let us show you. You can see this is a 328. If you have 320, 420, 428, it will be very similar. Here now, you need to disconnect that hose right here. You have a vacuum hose. You may not even disconnect it. You need to disconnect the mass airflow sensor, okay? And then you have to remove that coolant hose right here, okay? Remove this, you can see metal clips, and you're going to pull. You have 3 rubber bushings here, okay? 1, 2, 3 there, and you can flip that box on the back. This is the air filter box. We can get quite a bit of, actually, guys, room here now, okay, without it. So now here we can do 2 things, okay? We can move that hose out of the way a little bit, or we can remove, if we want, that hose out of there, and the belt will be all open as well. So we will see if we are able to get our tool here, okay? And that way we will not be able, we will not need to remove that hose, okay, for that specific procedure. If you leave the hose on, make sure you cover it to make sure you don't drop anything, because if you drop a tool, something inside, later it will be sucked in the turbo, the engine, it will practically, guys, destroy your engine. So now we need to find a 16mm socket, okay, and on the tensioner right here, that's where we're going to apply that socket, guys, on the tensioner. Okay, check this thing out. And okay, let's see if we can get it in. Perfect, it's in. Now let's go. Okay, we're going to go clockwise, and when we go clockwise, okay, let's just move our hand out of here. When we go clockwise, I want to show you what will happen. The belt will release, okay, and I'm going to slide it over, okay, once it's released, and let's see if we can let go now. Okay, if we can get the socket out there. I probably could have done it through the alternator, guys. Okay, that way we can get more room. Perfect, it's coming out. So that way we don't have to remove that hose. Perfect. And the belt, guys, okay, the only thing holding there was on the crankshaft pulley. That belt is about to fail, guys. The car has almost 80,000 miles. I want to show you how bad that belt is, okay? It's about to fail anytime. I have one BMW, guys, 5 Series, and the 5 Series, guys, uses the same N20 engine, absolutely the same. It's a 528, and the belt, okay, failed at 105,000 miles. So we recommend, guys, okay, we have a special video that explains when to replace belts, but that's the belt that failed. You can see, it's snapped in 2, guys, you can see. So we have a special video that explains when to replace serpentine belt on BMW. Check it out, it will talk all about that. This is the new belt. It feels really well built. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from for a really good price and quick shipping. So now let's go ahead and install it. Also, when replacing the belt, guys, it's always recommended to replace the serpentine belt tensioner with the pulley, and that pulley can develop a play, the tensioner can get weak as well, and you need to buy the 3 different bolts right here. They need to be replaced every time you remove them. So I'll put the link to a complete kit in the description of the video below if you want to see where you can get them from. When you replace the belt, put the things together, stay a little bit far away, and always, guys, okay, always turn the car on for a few seconds, but always open your garage door and see that the belt aligns everywhere correctly, because if it's one tooth over, it can get destroyed. So make sure that it's here on the AC compressor good, on the crankshaft, pulley, and the alternator as well. So we install the belt, we'll stay far away. I'm just going to zoom in with the camera. Let's go ahead, start it for just a couple seconds. Everything's good. Yeah, we can turn it off. Okay, we can see the belt spinning, everything's aligning. There is no damage to the belt. Inspect that it aligns everywhere correctly, guys. And that's how you practically, guys, replace Serpentine belt on BMW 304 series with that engine. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you want to see any specific video, let us know. We took the whole engine apart. We have videos how to replace timing chains on this N20 engine. This is a weak spot. This one developed the problem at 71,000 miles, and I have a 5 Series BMW with the same engine that actually jumped the timing chain, broke the guides at 84,000 miles. So it's no joke, guys. We have a special video if your BMW will need new timing chain. Check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you guys needing to see how to replace Serpentine belt. Thank you for watching and see you next time.